Thousands of Canadians are sounding the alarm about a silent menace with a connection to the wilderness. It is Lyme disease, an illness spread by bites from ticks. The consequences can be devastating, including chronic pain and physical disability. Early diagnosis is essential. The trouble is many victims don't even know they have the disease until it's too late. More from CTV's medical specialist, Avis Favreau.
These are people who say Lyme disease has ruined their lives.
I could barely walk, I could barely talk. Very severe arthritis symptoms, extreme fatigue, very chronic headaches.
Lyme patients are holding protests in 5 cities across the country.
You never hear discussion about Lyme disease.
Trying to make an invisible disease visible.
You have people, as you see, that are on crutches. You have people that couldn't come today because they're bedridden. Most people I know that have Lyme disease don't have a job anymore.
It's all caused by the bite of an infected tick. For many patients, the first clue is a rash. Inside their bodies, bacteria from the bite move into their blood, and the parasites, those worm-like creatures, burrow their way into joints, the heart, even the brain.
And it's time to act. We need your help.
Most spend years trying to get a proper diagnosis because they say the blood tests used in Canada are often inaccurate and doctors don't often recognize the symptoms.
Nobody could figure out what was wrong with me. It took 9 years since I had been from when I was bitten by a tick until I was diagnosed.
So patient groups want better training for Canadian doctors and faster diagnosis with more sophisticated testing, because if treated quickly with antibiotics, patients can recover. Delays in treatment can leave them with a lifetime of illness.
Our treatment is very expensive, very prolonged, and our prognosis is now uncertain. I want to see things changed, and I call on our government to assist us in making that happen.
And Lyme groups say this health problem will only get worse because scientists say the ticks that cause this disease are on the move in the U.S. and parts of Canada. Yet few Canadians, they say, are being warned about where these bugs lurk. Avis Favreau, CTV News, Toronto.